Welcome to our competency-based question series designed chapter-wise to enhance your conceptual learning and understanding.
Question 8. A concave mirror and a convex mirror of focal lengths 10 cm and 20 cm respectively are placed coaxially as shown in the figure. The distance of separation between the two mirrors is 40 cm. If an object O is placed in between the mirrors at a distance of 15 cm from the concave mirror, we need to find the position of final image that is formed by the two successive reflections. So one image is formed by the concave mirror, then one image is formed by the convex mirror. So we need to find the position of the images formed by both the mirrors respectively. So let's try to solve it out. So first solve for concave mirror. So for concave mirror, f is given to us as 10 centimeter, and for concave mirror, f is always negative, so it is minus 10. Now the object distance u, it is given to us as 15 centimeter, and object is placed somewhat here, and when we need to calculate this distance, we will be moving in a direction opposite to the direction of the incident light. Hence we need to take u as negative, so u is minus 15. Now applying mirror formula, we can write 1 upon f is equal to 1 upon v plus 1 upon u, and that can be simplified as 1 upon minus 10 is equal to 1 upon v plus 1 upon minus 15. This will go towards that side, and we can write 1 upon v is equal to minus 1 upon 10 plus 1 upon 15. We can take the LCM, 30. That will be equal to minus 3 plus 2, and it is minus 1 upon 30. So v will be equal to minus 30 centimeter. So we will be having the image I at this place. So that will be 30 centimeter in a negative direction from the pole of concave mirror. So this will be 30 centimeter. Now this image will serve as a virtual object for the convex mirror. So this distance will be 10 centimeter. And for convex mirror, the distance u, it will be 10 centimeter, and we have to take it as positive. Why so? Because for the original object, the direction of incident light will be like this, and when we are moving from the pole of the convex mirror towards the image I, we will be moving in the same direction as that of the incident light, and hence this distance has to be positive. Now f, it is given to us as 20 centimeter, and for convex it is always positive. Again we can apply mirror formula, and we can write 1 upon f is equal to 1 upon v plus 1 upon u. That will be equal to 1 upon 20, that is equal to 1 upon v plus 1 upon 10. And this 1 upon 10 will go towards the left hand side. We can write 1 upon v is equal to 1 upon 20 minus 1 upon 10. Take the LCM, 1 minus 2, and it will be minus 1 upon 20. So finally we get v is equal to minus 20 centimeter. So this is the image formed by the convex mirror. So we'll be having the image somewhat over here, that is I dash. That is 20 centimeter from the pole of the convex mirror, and this is the final position of the image, and it has to be negative because we are moving in a direction opposite to the direction of incident light. So this is the direction of incident light. So we will be moving in this direction, and hence it has to be negative, and we are getting negative in our answer as well. So this is the answer for the two cases. For the concave mirror, the image is formed at minus 30, and for convex mirror, it is formed at minus 20 from the pole of the convex mirror. So both the distance has to be from the pole of the respective mirrors, and that is the answer for this problem.
Keep learning, keep practicing, Keep excelling.